I have entered in the University GC. Let's explore this. Friends, it is GCU I have entered. Let's go first in the Inter Cafe. So here is the path. You can see that it is the Inter Cafe. So let's enter there. So this is the University of Friends. This is the overground. You can see that, and this is the path to enter the GC University. So let's move, friends, and explore this beautiful place of Lahore. Friends, this is the main tower known as Clock Tower of GC University. The main beauty of the university, its beautiful structure. It's like that we are not in Pakistan, we are in the UK and in Cambridge University like that. This is the office of VC, Vice Chancellor of GC University, Asghar Zaidi. So let's move. Friends, this is the pathway of GC University. It is so much attractive and enchanting. Friends, this is the Bukhari Auditorium, and this is the lawn of Bukhari Auditorium. And you can see that there is a written on that board TEDx GCU Lahore, and there is an event as well stall. This is the beautiful mosque of GC University. The interesting thing about this mosque is that before the independence this was a church, but after the independence it converted into the mosque for the Muslims. So students used to come there and offer their prayers. You can see that there is a rush of people. You can see that structure like GC. Here you can see that a student is studying, and some students are talking with each other and enjoying there. Here is the beautiful view, and this is the oval ground of GC University. So much beautiful. Friends, this is the beauty of GC University. So much students are waiting for the functions, and this is the amphitheater where there are a lot of functions conducted and students groom, enjoy like that. You can see that.